Welcome to Kids Vision TV. Hi kids, today we are coloring, drawing and painting an owl. Let's start by drawing. You can draw with me. This is a cute owl. First I am drawing its big eyes. Hope you will be enjoying this video. Color it. You can color with me. Yellow color. I am coloring its wings with yellow color. Coloring in toes. Red color. I am coloring in head with red color. Purple color. Coloring in blue with purple color. Pink color. I am coloring owl with pink color. This is a glitter pink owl. Kids, if you like my videos, then like, subscribe and please share and press the bell icon. Brown color. I am coloring its beak with brown color.
Subscribe us for more videos.